Have you ever wondered why Python lists are not always the best choice when you're working with hundreds or thousands of numbers? What if you want to perform mathematical operations on an entire collection of numbers at once?
Suppose you have a list of some numbers and you want to double all the values. In order to do so, if you try to multiply the whole list by 2, will it make each value double? Let's see.
Huh?
This is where Numpy comes into the picture. 1. What is Numpy? Numpy stands for Numerical Python. It is one of the most important Python libraries used for numerical computing. Numpy provides a powerful data structure called the Numpy array, which is used to store and process collections of numerical data efficiently. To use Numpy, we first need to import it. Import Numpy as NP. NP is simply an alias or short name for Numpy. 2. What is an array? An array is a collection of elements of the same data type, usually numbers, stored in an organized structure. This can be represented as a Numpy array.
In np.array, np is the Python library numpy, and array, after that you can see parenthesis, it means it is a function and it is used to create an n-dimensional array object. Inside the parenthesis of array function, you can place a list of numbers.
Output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Notice that we used np.array to convert a Python list into a Numpy array. 3. Why use Numpy arrays instead of lists? Python already has a very useful data structure called a list. So why do we need arrays? Let's take a simple example. Suppose we have numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Now suppose we want to multiply every number by 2. With a Python list, we generally need a loop. But with a Numpy array comma, we can simply write import Numpy as np numbers equals np.array 10, 20, 30, 40, result equals numbers times 2, print open parenthesis, result close parenthesis, output 20, 40, 60, 80, close bracket. That's much simpler. 4. Advantages of Numpy arrays. 1. Faster. Numerical operations Numpy arrays are designed specifically for numerical calculations. Operations on large numerical datasets are generally much faster with Numpy arrays than with ordinary Python lists. 2. Less memory. Numpy arrays store data more efficiently than Python lists for numerical data. This becomes especially important when working with thousands or millions of values. Mathematical operations are easier. For example, import Numpy as npa equals np.array 10, 20, 30. b equals np.array, open parenthesis, open bracket, 1, 2, 3, close bracket, close parenthesis, prints a plus b, output 11, 22, 33. Similarly, print open parenthesis r times b, close parenthesis, output 10, 40, 90. Numpy performs the operation element by element. This feature is called vectorization. Now let's look at different ways of creating Numpy arrays. Method 1. Creating an array from a list. The most basic method is pass a list directly inside the array method. It will convert list into array. Now let's test something interesting. We know array is homogeneous collection. That means it will store similar type of data. So what if we insert one string in between? Let's see. Here is the output. Have you noticed something? It has changed all the data into string type. 6. Creating an array of zeros. Numpy provides a function called zeros. Output, by default, the values are floating point numbers. We can also specify the data type. AR equals np.zeros. Output. 7. Creating an array of ones. We can use the ones function. Output. Creating an array using arranged. Another very useful function is arrange. It works somewhat like Python's range function. Here, the starting value is 1 and the stopping value is 10. The stopping value is not included. We can also specify a step. RR equals np.arrange open parenthesis 1, 11, 2. AR close parenthesis output open bracket 13579 creating even numbers. Using arrange, we can easily create an array of even numbers. Even equals np.arrange open parenthesis 2, 21, 2 close parenthesis print open parenthesis even close parenthesis output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Creating an array. Using linspace, it creates a specified number of equally spaced values between two numbers. For example, import numpy as nprr equals np.linspace open parenthesis 0, 10, 5 close parenthesis print open parenthesis arr close parenthesis output. Here, starting value equals 0, ending value equals 10, number of values equals 5. So NumPy automatically calculates the spacing between the values. That's all for a quick understanding of NumPy and arrays.